In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to a channel in Slack. This guide will lead you through each step, making it easy and efficient to bring new members into your conversations. Whether you're managing a team project or coordinating with colleagues, adding people to a channel can enhance your collaboration and streamline communication. Let's begin by navigating to your desired channel. From your Slack workspace, locate and click on the channel you wish to add members to. You can do this from the left-hand sidebar, where all your channels are listed. This is your first step in seamlessly bringing new team members into the conversation. Once you're in the channel, direct your attention to the channel's name at the top of the page. Clicking on the channel name will open a detailed menu. This section provides all the pertinent details about the channel, from its purpose to its current members, offering a comprehensive view of what's happening there. Next, you'll want to select the Members option. This button usually lies within the channel's information menu. By clicking here, you can view everyone who is currently part of the conversation. It's a quick way to see who's already involved and get ready to include more colleagues. Proceeding from this point, look for the Add People button. It's prominently displayed, and clicking on it will initiate the process of bringing additional members into the channel. This step is crucial in opening up the communication lines to more participants. Now, you'll come across a prompt to continue. Clicking Continue confirms that you want to go ahead with adding members. This keeps your process moving forward and ensures Slack knows you're ready to proceed with new invites. Now comes the part where you decide who to add. Start by typing the names of the people you wish to include. Slack's Smart Search will suggest users as you type, making it easier for you to find the right individuals. Simply click on each name to add them to the invitee list. It's a seamless feature that makes member management efficient. Finally, finish the process by clicking Add. This confirms your selection and officially adds the chosen individuals to the channel. They will be notified of their inclusion and can join the conversation immediately. And there you have it, a straightforward method to expand your collaboration circle in just a few clicks. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly manage and enhance your team's connectivity within Slack. Keep practicing and using this guide as a reference until adding members becomes second nature. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.